Alright guys, welcome to the Early Bird Picks Club, and for today's selection we have the Daegu Football Club right now. Okay, we're betting on over 0.75 first half for a goal. Alright, I've already placed my bet right now on this Korean league. Okay, so all we gotta do is wait for a goal to come and there will be our money. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll be back when the goal arrives. There will be a goal on this half for this particular match. Okay, we're looking at Daegu FC against Chunam Dragons. All right, now we're back. Okay, there's our goal. They scored in the 23rd minute. Okay, Daegu is now leading 1-0, and our bet has gone through. It has cleared, and well, that's just how we win on a regular basis. Okay.